Not only this video is about showing you the budget versions of the bomber jackets, but also ensuring that you get to see different versions when it comes to the bomber jackets. You guys have asked for the budget bomber jacket haul, and here you go. Guys, before going into the video, a quick word about the sponsor for this video, which is GoPaisa.com. It is one of the best cashback website in India, where you can get extra cashback on every shopping, and you get discount on 1500 plus shopping websites and more than 600 plus brands. More on it in the middle of the video. What's up, my stylish people? This is Shashank. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to one of the most requested video by you guys. However, there is a quick disclaimer, guys. Budget varies from person to person, so I have included bomber jackets ranging from 600 rupees in this video till 1399. I have kept a cap of 1400 rupees for the budget version of a bomber jacket, which I feel it's fair. Let's start with the piece number one. It is one of my favorite jacket in this shopping haul. That's why I'm starting with this piece, and it is a olive green, dark olive green, by the way. It is a sporty bomber jacket from HRX in a size of small. Initially, I thought of going for the medium size, but as per the sizing recommendation from Myntra, I have gone with the small size, and glad I did that because it fits me so well. What I like the most in this jacket, one, of course, I like the olive color, and second, being it an active sporty kind of a bomber jacket, you get the most value out of it because it's gonna be a transitional piece. On the colder days, if you want to just wear a sporty jacket to the gym, you can use that. It's more of a sporty jacket that has taken the cue from the bomber jacket. That's where you will get the most value out of it, not only during this winter season. The third thing what I like the most is the practical utility or a functional aspect, you can say, you get with this jacket in terms of the zippers, because they have this water protection or water resistant kind of a zippers, which actually serves the utility purpose if you want to use this jacket during the rainy seasons as well. That's why I call this a transitional piece which you can use across different seasons, of course not during the summer seasons. This is priced relatively on a higher side, among 3700 or 3800 rupees, but however during the sale times in Myntra, I got this at a price point of 1200 rupees, guys. The prices may vary, guys. Even though I discuss about the prices and size chart, it depends on person to person when it comes to the size. When it comes to the price factor, during the sale times, they are going to be discounted at 70%, and sometimes like a crazy sale, it goes till 80%. But once the sale gets over, it comes back to its normal 20 to 30% price range. That's where you have to note that the prices keeps on varying. Sometimes I may get for a higher price than you guys buy that, or sometimes I may get it for a lower price if I buy during the sale time compared to you buying it during the non-sale times. If you ask me, I like the color coordinated bands. That's why I'm not big fan of the black color neckband as well as the cuffs and hem they have gone for. But when you consider the color of the olive green being so dark, it's not a big contrast and it works well. Moving on to the bomber jacket number two. This I'm a big fan of the color and how it looks, but not exactly a big fan of the fit. That's a spoiler alert. Let's get into the details of the piece. It is a Mustang Harbor bomber jacket which I got it in a size of medium, and this is a jacket which is made of 80% cotton and 20% of polyester. But the crazy part with this jacket would be how it looks, the material, the feel of it and the look of it. It looks much more of a suede to velvety kind of a finish. I'm not sure how they achieved it using 80% of cotton and 20% polyester, but they achieved it, and it looks so classy. Once I received the jacket, even though the material feels so soft, it doesn't look that expensive for what they're charging for, at least on a retail basis, because the price which it retails for is 4000 rupees, but they are offering this for 1350 rupees, which is actually a good deal. But there are few disqualifiers. Before going into the disqualifiers, let's talk about what I liked in this bomber jacket. One, of course, the neutral color. It's a blue color, and it is also having a little of a shiny aspect to it because of the material they have gone for, or because of a finish they have gone for. So this is one of the points which I like the most, and that is the only point, sadly. Now let's get into the disqualifier. The major disqualifier is the fit of the jacket. Always remember, guys, for bomber jackets, the sleeve should not be of a longer length. It can be longer. It gives that good vibe if it is stacked a little, but it doesn't look good if it is stacked too much. The band at the end of the sleeves is a little loose, and also the length of the sleeves is slightly longer, which makes this a big disqualifier or a major disqualifier for this jacket. And second thing, in terms of fit, it do not have a specific structure to it. It feels so thin It doesn't serve the purpose during the winter seasons much, and also it lacks a specific structure to it. That's what I feel one more disqualifier for this jacket. So I don't recommend this. If you are okay with the price point of 1350 and if you like the finish and how it looks, you can go for it, or else I don't recommend this bomber jacket at all. Moving on to the piece number 3. This is a space gray color bomber jacket from Agio's own brand, which I got it in a size of medium. It is made of polyester. Easily you can recognize once you have seen the material, but if you observe the material very closely, they want to give you a pseudo kind of a textured finish. The texture is actually a print on it. It is a micro checkered. You can't even observe it until and unless you observe it so closely. That's a minor thing to note, but however, actually it's a solid color and it can be super versatile, guys. That's why I have gone with this color. The other aspect of this jacket which I like the most is the netting inside, which if you are prone to rashes when it comes to using a polyester lining, this helps the cause. That's what I liked it. And also it fits well, albeit a little bit stacking when it comes to the sleeves, which is acceptable actually for this jacket. Apart from that, it fits well. It is a slimmer fit jacket and it fits good, and you have to go true to size for this one. It is priced generally a little bit higher, retail price I'm saying, when it comes to the Agio jackets. But if you know, Agio generally they offer 80% off on most of those pieces if they are like 3 to 4 months old. That's where you get this at a crazy bargain of 630 rupees. As we are talking about the price points and how they can be expensive, always there is an option to save more in terms of like how much cashback you can earn on each and every order. I always keep the emphasis on smart shopping, not the normal shopping, guys. Anyone can shop during the sale times at whatever the discounted prices they offer on the Myntra website. But that's not always the best or smartest thing to do. That's where our sponsor for this video, GoPaisa.com, comes into play, because it's so simple to use. And always don't underestimate that how much you can save with the cashback. Even though you may not get the cashback instantly, there is a certain cap on how long it will take for the amount to be redeemed to your bank, but always that amounts get accumulated, and unknowingly at some point of time you will be having some amount which you can use for further shopping in your cashback. I have just created a new account to show to you guys how it works. Once you create a GoPaisa account, you will be receiving 25 rupees as a sign up bonus. The best part with GoPaisa is that not only in terms of the cashback, in case if you are searching for a specific deals, in case if you want a coupon codes, they make your life easy by giving all at one place. However, I'm showing you how to receive the cashback on top of the discounted items when you're buying on the online shopping sites or online retail sites. Here, just click the Flipkart, then it will redirect if you have an application. If you do not have an application, if you are using a mobile browser, it will redirect to the website. So once it has been redirected to the mobile applications, either you can shop at that time. Here in this case, I already added the products to my cart. So just you have to make sure that you place the order. Once the order has been placed and once they get the confirmation from the online shopping sites, it will show as a pending amount. Once the return period has been completed after a certain number of weeks, you will be able to redeem your cashback. Either directly you can transfer it to the bank, or there are multiple options such as wallet transfers or even doing the recharges. It is completely up to you guys. Generally, I prefer redeeming it to the bank so that I can use for whatever purpose I would like to. So altogether, it's a win-win situation. If you order the cash on delivery, also you're going to get that cashback. That's the sweet option, I feel. So make sure that you always do smart shopping, guys, and what you're waiting for, sign up for GoPaisa. I will leave the link in the description below. Moving on to the piece number 4, it's the burgundy color or maroon color bomber jacket from Aeropostale in a size of medium. This jacket I got just for the color, guys. That's how much I like bomber jackets or any piece in maroon color. It is from a brand called Aeropostale, which is one of the premium brand, but I got it for a discount at a price point of 1249 rupees because there was 70% or 65% off going on during the Agio's recent sale. Coming to the fit of it, it's a slim fit jacket and it fits well to me. The one thing I like, they wanted to go for the color coordinated band collar. However, they want to go for a pattern in order to make it a youthful kind of a jacket rather than going with a classic kind of a jacket. And also I didn't like, for some reason, even though I am a big fan of that Aeropostale branding, but the A is too big for my liking. That's up to you guys. This jacket have a composition of a cotton to it, unlike all the other jackets which have a mix or a major composition of polyester. That's the advantage for this jacket, and at a price point of 1250, you generally don't get this high quality cotton options when it comes to the bomber jackets. Moving on to the last piece from this budget bomber jacket haul. This is also from Ajio, which actually is a much better option when it comes to the winter seasons, and this is specifically for this season. It is a spiker mustard color bomber jacket which I got it in a size of medium, and it is a puffer bomber jacket. In the winter seasons, if you are opting for a moderate layering, this could be one of the best pickup because it provides enough warmth without not being too thick. It is priced very highly. For Spiker brand, anything which is priced more than 3000 or 4000 rupees, it is not worth at all. However, this is discounted very heavily during the recent Ajio sale. I got this somewhere around 1300 to 1400 I feel. I'm not sure of the exact price, and as I said, prices may vary. The zippers are not smooth to my liking for what they're charging for. Other than that, it fits well, the sleeve length ends well, and overall if you're looking for a puffer jacket but still want some hybrid of a bomber jacket or a hue taken from a bomber jacket to it, it could be one of the better options. I hope you guys liked this video on budget bomber jackets, and if you did so, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to this channel not to miss out on any content like this. Also, don't forget to check out our sponsor for this video, GoPaisa. I will leave the link in the description below. Feel free to sign up. That's it from me. I will see you guys next time.